Hello everyone, Namaskar, good morning. I am Mrinmoy on behalf of Shri Aurobindo Society. Welcome you back again with a new innovative idea in this, favorite and mostly accessed, idea sharing platform, that is ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiatives. So I'm here again with this new idea to share with you so that you can make your students more equipped and and generate a more interesting learning process in the classroom. So today I'm again here with the idea related to the subject English from the state UP for class 4 chapter 9, and the time duration that I have taken for the idea that need to be implemented, that is of 20 minutes, and it can again change as per the availability of the students in the classroom. Now let's see why it is innovative and what is the purpose behind of this innovation. This innovation is to enhance the vocabulary of the student based on the concepts associated to the chapter through the formation of a dictionary in due course of time. So here again the name of the idea will be self-created dictionary, right? A self-created dictionary. So it will be based on the concepts or the chapters that the educator has already been taught in the classroom. So that the students are being asked to go through the chapters, whichever subject it is, and accordingly underline the critical or the tough words, and they can discuss it with their parents or with their teachers, their home tutors, and they can make a chart in their chart or they can note it down in their notebook, and the notebook they can also decorate the notebook from where they can develop their vocabulary as well as the word stock into their mind. So this idea will be very much useful for the revision process as well. It will ensure that the reading, building and explanation of the story, various concepts have been done before providing the students self-created dictionary. The students can go home and read the lesson and know difficult words as per their own level of understanding. Now we will come to the point that is of what kind of learning outcomes the students will achieve after participating in this innovative activity. They will be able to respond to the simple sentences or its instructions, announcement made in class, that is in English. They will be able to understand well because this activity will make them equipped and they will be capable to participate in any kind of conversation, for example quiz competition, etc. And they will be able to infer the meaning of unfamiliar words by reading them in the context. Usage of nouns, verb, adverb also will be they will be learning gradually with the practice of this word self-created dictionary on a daily basis, or as per teacher's wish it can be in an alternative day also. So more questions can be framed as per the different concepts from the lesson and class strength. This activity can be continued until each student gets an opportunity to respond. It should be ensured that all students must pay attention to the other students when the other students is also uttering the different words and its meaning. Okay, so here it's a very interesting idea that you can also implement in your classroom, and make sure to download our app of Innovative Pathshala from Google Play Store, and make sure to press the bell icon to get similar innovative ideas in the near future. Good luck. Thank you for listening to my video.